Bonjour. There are a few words that students of mine often ask me, when do you use this one and when do you use this one to mean the same thing? And often my answer is it's to do with formality. Some of them you are much more likely to hear spoken, and others you're much more likely to see them written or hear in a very formal situation. So we're going to go through some of the most common ones today. So when I say spoken and written French here, I just mean that some forms are more natural to say and others are more natural to write, even though you will see both of the different forms used in both. It's just about what kind of feels more natural and what you're more likely to hear and read. So let's look at a few common examples. So we've got when to begin with, and when we can have the word quand, quand is the one that you're more likely to use when you are speaking. It's more natural when you're speaking to use the word quand to mean when. And the one that you're more likely to read to mean when is lorsque. Lorsque. So the lorsque is the more written form and quand is the more spoken form. The word because has got two different forms too. We can use parce que, that's our more naturally used in speaking form, parce que. Sometimes you hear parce que, and it can be tricky to be thinking, is there three words there? But it's not three words, it's just two words, parce que, it's just a difference in pronunciation. Parce que, and it means because, and we're going to hear that speaking. And the more written kind of way that you might use because is car. You're not really likely to hear that, but you are very likely to read that. The word but. We've got the word mais, and that's the one that you're going to hear a lot spoken. And you've got the word cependant, which is the more written form. I suppose cependant is a bit more like however. Mais is just a bit more of a kind of common everyday word that you're going to hear to mean but. This is a tricky one, the we, because we've always been taught in school and on our apps and online that the way to say we in French is nous. And that's not wrong, but there is a way that we're hearing more and more in speech to say we, and is on. On regarde la télé. We are watching the telly. On va au cinéma. We're going to the cinema. On y va. Off we go. So on is we. It's not slang, it's not rude, it's just become something that's become more natural as you're speaking. And the nous, yes, you will still hear it, and it tends to be a little bit more formal, but it's become a little bit more that it's more written than spoken. The on has kind of taken over from nous in speaking. The word it or that can be the same word, depends on the context, but when you're speaking, you would say ça. So you might say, I like that, j'aime ça. Or what's that? C'est quoi ça? When you're speaking. But when you're writing, the written form of ça is actually cela. Cela. So it's exactly the same word, but when you're writing it, you would write down cela rather than ça. So let's have a little look at a quiz. What would you expect here? Would you expect to hear it? Is it going to be the spoken form? Or would you expect to read it? Is it going to be in the more written form? Let's have a look. Je t'appelle lorsque je finis le travail. So I'll call you, lorsque means when, lorsque je finis le travail. We're more likely to see that written, or we're more likely to hear it spoken. It's the word lorsque there, so it is the written form more likely. On regarde un film ce soir. What have we got here? We've got on. So, on regarde un film ce soir. On was the more spoken form, so it's got to be spoken. Cela prend beaucoup de temps. Cela prend beaucoup de temps. Where's our word that we're looking for here? There it is. Cela, that, or it. So, what are we going to say? Cela is the written form. Okay, next one. Il est content parce que c'est son anniversaire. So he's happy because it's his birthday. Where's the word because? Parce que. And is parce que that form more spoken, or is that form more the written form? It is the more spoken form. Parce que c'est more spoken. Nous partons à 8 heures. Nous partons à 8 heures. So we are leaving at 8 o'clock. So nous was the we. The nous that we're going to see there is a little bit more formal or written form. Okay. Number 6. Je voulais sortir, mais je suis fatiguée. Je voulais sortir. I wanted to go out, mais je suis fatiguée. But I'm tired. So mais, je suis fatiguée, mais is but, and that one was the spoken one. Ça marche très bien. Ça marche très bien. That works really well. Where's our word that we're looking for? There it is. It's ça. And ça, is that more spoken or more written? Ça is the spoken form. Number 8. Il ne vient pas car il est malade. Il ne vient pas car il est malade. So he's not going to come, he's not coming because he's ill. So where's our because? There it is, car, and car was the more written form. Number 9. Elle voulait venir, she wanted to come, cependant elle travaille. Cependant, what did that mean again? It meant but or however. Elle travaille, she's working. So the cependant tends to be more the written form. And the last one, je te téléphone quand j'arrive. Je te téléphone quand j'arrive. I'll phone you when I arrive. Where's the word when? Quand. So it's got to be the spoken form. I hope that was helpful.